everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to the Plannerthon series 2025. In the Plannerthon series, நம்ம இந்தியாவில் launch ஆயிருக்கிற 2025 planners ஓட review தான் பார்க்க போறோம். So let's dive in right into the video. இந்த Plannerthon series நம்ம வந்து parts பண்ண போறோம். நான் எப்படி இதை டிவைட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் அப்படின்னா இந்த planners ஓட price range வச்சு தான். So இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம வந்து more than 2000 rupees budget planners தான் பார்க்க போறோம். So before going into the planners, I want to tell what is my preference and how I need my planner to be. So என்னோட plannersல நான் என்ன எதிர்பார்க்கறேன்னா it is pretty basic actually. I need a vision board and then I need a spacious monthly tab, a weekly section where it should be spacious enough to write what I feel like every day. So yeah, and then a habit tracker, pretty much a simple habit tracker actually. Some 4-5 habits will do. And then a period tracker, and then I need a meal plan section. Next I need some notes page or something for me to write my budget and track my finances. Next I need a mood tracker to track my mood, like I just put a smiley face every single day. So yeah, that is pretty much what I expect, and of course the monthly tabs for easy navigation. So yeah, that is how my planner should be, and Alicia Souza actually served the purpose for the past 3 years. So let's see if I can find my planner by the end of this series. Let's check out the planners one by one. The first planner is the Alicia Souza. As you all know, I have been using their planners for the past, I think 3 years. Nadula 1 year, 2023, I used the tall elephant one. So I really love their planners and they are actually very doable, to be honest. So let's just check out how they have made their planners for the year 2025. இதுதான் வந்து the ultimate 2025 planner. It retails for rupees 2499 and the cover is pretty bright and everything. I don't personally like the cover so much. Let's check it out. So first we have the planner belongs to and the year, mantra of the year, etc. and the holidays list. We have the personal information, 2025 calendar, 2026 calendar, the new things to note, where you can actually write down your things, and then we have the yearly goals page, friends and family, health and wellness, career, school or others, and the monthly goals page. Here you can write your thoughts and anything basically. Next you have the monthly grid for January and the weekly page. Actually they don't have the notes section for the monthly grids page. The weekly section is pretty much the same as the previous years and the same as the habits tracker and the periods tracker. Next you have the to-do list, the personal and the office work. I really like how they have separated the both. And then you have the top priority and other tasks. Next you have the monthly meal plan, which is pretty much very small and you can't write anything actually. And then you have a notes page similarly for the next months as well, and you have the highlights of the month, books you have read, movies you have loved, and the same thing, and that's it about the planner. So let's just check out the details. It is a Viro planner. I think you have a hardbound option as well. You have a pocket planner and then it is of the standard size and it is 256 pages. The paper thickness is about 120 GSM, acid-free paper, and the rest of the things are all the same thing, like it is wire bound, and you have 2 bookmarks coming with it and 1 back pocket, elastic closure, and etc. So it is pretty much the same as the previous years. The one thing that I am not very fond of this year is the cover, because it is very bright actually, for my liking at least. So that is the one thing that puts me off about this planner. Otherwise I really like using the Alicia Souza's planner because it has very muted colors and it is my vibe actually. The inside is pretty much what I love, but the cover is putting me off for this year. But let's see how it goes. Next நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது ருஹானி ரங்கோட பிளானர். இவங்களோட ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டி என்ன அப்படின்னா இது எல்லாமே ஹேண்ட்மேட் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ். ஸோ இவங்களோட கவர் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் ரொம்பவே க்யூட்டாக அண்ட் ரொம்ப கேட்சியாக இருக்குது. ஆக்சுவலி ஐ ரியலி லைக் த கவர்ஸ் and I am vibing with Manmohini green and the dusky tails. So let's just open the Manmohini green. So yeah, it is 100% handmade and recycled and it retails for 2,199. Let's see what is in the planner. So as I said, it is actually very catchy and I really vibe with the color scheme going on. Next we have the New Year wishes and better plans for the year, and then you have the monthly page where you have to stick the monthly tab with the dates actually. So yeah, it is like monthly tab is given but with the stickers option. Next you have the monthly grid where you have to write the dates. It is basically an undated planner. Next you have the monthly page again. It is very simple, by the way. Then you have the monthly reflection, happiest moment of the month, challenges I won over, one thing I'm grateful, and the goal for the next month. It's pretty cool, I think. And then you have a play page for brain dump. Next you have personal information page, vision board, which is pretty good actually. And then you have the important dates ka page. Next you have habits and goals section, which is pretty much standard. And then you have the New Year wishes and plans for the year, as we already saw. Next you have the monthly tracker. It is like finance tracker, affirmations, important dates and new agendas. It is pretty much what we actually need. And then we have the monthly grid again. Next we have the weekly page where you have to be writing the dates and the day. Basically, as I said, it is an undated planner. Next you have the notes page. Next you have the back pocket and a thank you note from Ruhaani Rang, and that's it about the planner. So it is, as I said, 2,200 and we have a yearly spread, 160 pages, and it is the B5 size. We don't have the page quality actually, but that's fine. And that's it. So what are the thoughts about this planner is, actually I am okay with the monthly tabs being like the stickers, but I really wish at least they have put the dates. Either they should have kept it a dated planner or an undated planner. It is like a hybrid planner. You have the calendar and all, but you have to be writing the dates on your own, which pretty much bums me out actually, because they have the monthly pages and all, like a monthly view. But yeah, for 2,200 they could have done more. That's what I feel like. So the cover is really good, but I don't think I will buy this planner for myself. It is actually good for a beginner and those who does not use the planner regularly, but it's not for me because I do use my planners every single day. So overall, இந்த ரெண்டு பிளானர் பற்றி என்னோட தாட்ஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னா, I really vibe with Alicia Souza. Actually, just because I have been using it for the past 3 years. எனக்கு வந்து அதோட லேஅவுட்ஸ் எல்லாமே ரொம்ப பழக்கப்பட்டதுனால எனக்கு அது I am vibing with it. And இந்த வருஷம் அவங்க கலர் வந்து கொஞ்சம் கம்மி பண்ணி கொஞ்சம் மியூட்டட் கலர்ஸாக கொடுத்துருந்தா பெட்டராக இருந்திருக்கும்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். அண்ட் ருஹானி ரங்கை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் அது இட் இஸ் லைக் அ ஹைப்ரிட் பிளானர். எனக்கு வந்து ஐ திங்க் ஐ எம் வெரி லேசி டு ரைட் ஆல் த டேட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆல், ஸோ I am not vibing with Ruhaani Rang, but the color option and handmade product it is, so I really want to support, but I am not vibing with the inside of the planner. But the cover is too good, too good. And with that, it's a wrap. See you guys with another video super soon. Till then, stay happy, stay consistent. And this is Subha saying, tata bye bye.